Email on Facebook advantages and disadvantages. প্রথমে লিখতে হবে from @gmail.com, then to @gmail.com. Here we should use the email address or email address name. Then subject: exploring the advantages and disadvantages of Facebook. Dear recipient, name: here we should use the name of our recipient. I hope this letter finds you well. I am writing to share some thoughts on the advantages and disadvantages of using Facebook, a platform that has become an integral part of our daily lives. Advantages of Facebook: staying connected. People allows us Facebook allows us to stay in touch with friends and family no matter where they are in the world. It bridges the gap created by physical distance and helps maintain relationships. Information sharing: the platform is excellent for disseminating information quickly, whether it's news updates, educational contents, or personal milestones. Facebook makes it easy to share and receive information. Business promotion: for business promotion, Facebook offers a powerful tool for marketing and brand building. Companies can reach a broad audience, engage with customers, and promote their products or services effectively. Community building: Facebook groups allows people with similar interests to connect and share ideas. These groups can be a source of support, knowledge, and networking opportunities. Entertainment: from videos and games to live streams and events, Facebook provides a variety of entertainment options that cater to diverse interests. Disadvantages of Facebook: privacy concerns. One of the major drawbacks is the risk to privacy. Users often share personal information that can be misused if it not properly protected. Addiction: the platform can be addictive, leading to excessive use that can interfere with daily life and responsibilities. Cyberbullying: unfortunately, Facebook can also be a platform for negative behavior such as cyberbullying, which can have serious emotional and psychological effects. Misinformations: the spread of false information and fake news is a significant issue on Facebook. This can lead to misinformation and confusion among users. Impact on mental health: excessive use of Facebook has been linked to negative impacts on mental health, including feelings of loneliness, anxiety, and depression. In conclusion, while Facebook offers numerous benefits that enhance connectivity and provide entertainment, it is essential to be aware of its potential downsides. By using the platform responsibly and being mindful of privacy settings, we can enjoy its advantages with mitigating the risk. Best triggers your name. Here you should put your name.